And we're back to Inkscape 1.4 updates. There is an update on the spray tool. Let me create a star here. It's selected and I use the spray tool. I'm on the first mode on the top left. And let me set the scaling to 100, rotation I go lower to like 30. And now if you hover over the canvas, you can see a preview of what is going to be sprayed when you left click. So if I left click, we get this star. But if you don't like what is seen in the preview, you can simply right click and then move the mouse slightly, and it's going to change it. So this one's too small for me, I right click, move the mouse. I like this one, left click. I think that's a cool new feature. And as I've mentioned, I've used the first mode on the top left, but this also works for the clones, which would be the second mode. So first one is for copies, second for clones. Always right click and slightly move the mouse while you do, and this changes the preview window. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.